Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Today I am going to show you 5 easy methods to find it when the SQL Server last time restarted. Let's start. So this is the method 1 to check through the read the error logs. You need to execute the SPR read error log commands. It will give the output of entire error logs, SQL Server error logs. If you go down, it will show you the exact date and times when the SQL Server last time restarted. As you can see here, this is the date the last time SQL Server restarted. So this is the one of the method. The second method, you can check it through the when the last time TempDB created. This is basically a very easy method. You can execute through command or as well as the GUI actually. So this is the time when the TempDB last time created. So every time once the SQL restarted, TempDB is creating newly. So you can check it through the GUI as well. Right click on TempDB properties and it will give you the the TempDB creation date and time. So this is the second method. Through this way you can find it. The third one, you can execute this sys command, right? It will give the SQL restart information. It will pull the details from the sys table and it will give the details, right? So through this way also you can find it. This is the sys command which help to pull the details for the last time SQL restarted. Yeah, the fourth one, this is also you can get it through this way also with the session ID, right? If you execute the fourth command, this will also give you the the last time SQL restarted. I will give you all those command in a description. It will help. So this is the fourth method. Through this way, let me execute all together. If you see, the date and time, it's same, right? So all above 3 method is showing correct date and time to restart the SQL. The fifth one, this is the server report dashboard. You can extract the SQL Server reports, and you can you will get the details from there in a report. So how to extract the report? For that you need to go to the SQL Server, right click reports, right click on SQL Server and come to the reports, then standard reports, and then top one the server dashboard. If you click on server dashboard, it will give the SQL Server dashboard report. So let me extract the report. If you click on yes, so this is the report. If you see here, if you follow my cursor, this is the time when the SQL Server last time restarted. Couple of other things also I will cover this report in another video. What need to analyze in this report I will show you. So these are the 5 methods. Through this way you can pull the date and time to SQL Server restart last time when it's restarted. So hope it's clear. It's a very easy trick. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I will come in next video with another topic. Bye bye.